At 65 years old, this little guy has had a life full of play and was probably passed on from parent to child. I already know that it will be very hard to match the original greyish metallic color, but I do like a challenge. Hi everyone, I'm Johan and this is Belgian Diecast Restorations, your place for diecast factory resets and makeovers.
Welcome to Belgian Diecast Restorations.
Leslie introduced the Volkswagen 1200 Sedan in 1961 as a successor to the old Bedford van. In its 3-year run, the model was only issued in one version, a greyish metallic blue with green tinted windows and grey plastic wheels. It had no interior but an opening engine hood revealing a cast engine. In 1965 the Volkswagen was replaced with another Bedford, the TK petrol tanker. The Volkswagen 1200 needs no introduction. This particular model is based on the 1958 revision. By then the Volkswagen Beetle was 20 years old and had undergone lots of cosmetic and technical changes. The 1958 changes replaced a small oval rear window with a larger round rectangular window and overhauled the dashboard. This model is definitely been loved by more than one child and it shows. The car has been repainted at least once. The engine hood is missing, the rear slot for the bottom plate is broken, the rear axle is bent and the window is cracked in half, which is common with windows that are riveted to the roof. Lots of work to be done, so let's go to tools and give this model a factory reset. At 65 years old, this little Volkswagen has gone through generations of little hands, some of them brandishing a paintbrush or a marker. It lost its rear engine bonnet, the rear axle is bent and the window is cracked in half. I tried to come as close as possible to the original greyish metallic blue of the car. The black primer dulled the light blue down and gave it the right tint, but the paint also ended up slightly darker than the original. I gave the car the same detailing as would have been done at the Lesney factory, gave it a new window and new rear bonnet, and I straightened the axles. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, as this helps my videos to climb up in YouTube's algorithm. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.
Belgian Diecast Restorations.